Learners. Today we are going to begin a new unit in social studies on culture, and we're going to start off with introducing some of the vocabulary words that we will come across in each of the lessons. So let's take a look at the definitions. Our first word is the word culture, and culture is the way of life shared by a group of people. Artifact. An artifact is something that was made or used by people in the past. Diversity. Diversity means to have influences from many different cultures. A contribution is the act of giving or doing something. Cuisine is a style of cooking. A civilization is a developed community. A tradition is a way of doing something that has been passed along by families for many years. And the word heritage is ways of life handed down from the past. So now that we've looked at the definitions, you're going to take a look at completing each of the activities on the right-hand side. The first part says, write a sentence using the word culture. Number 2, circle the words that belong with artifact. So we have tool, painting, yellow, old, bright, and hot. Which words belong with the definition of artifact? Number 3, write a sentence using the word diversity. Number 4, circle 2 key words in the definition of contribution and write them both on the line. The next one is writing a synonym or word that means a similar meaning to the word cuisine. The next one is to write a sentence using the word civilization. What is one tradition that you share with your family? And the last activity is to write a sentence using the word heritage. Be sure to refer back to the definitions to help you, and then you're going to upload this page to show completion. All right. Now let's take a look at page 62, beginning with what is culture? What is culture and why is it important? Culture is the way of life of a group of people. It includes things like language, music, sports, clothing, and food. Culture also includes customs. In this unit, you will learn about the cultures of the United States, Canada, Mexico, and the Caribbean. The United States has many cultures from ethnic groups from all over the world. An ethnic group is a group of people who share the same original culture. When people from different ethnic groups moved here, they brought with them different languages, foods, music, and customs. These different cultures have blended together to create the culture of the United States. People have their own culture too. Think about what music you like or how you celebrate holidays with your family. This is part of your culture. As you read, think about how your culture is similar to and different from other cultures. So let's take a look at the activity on the next page. So what is your culture? Answering the questions below will help you define your culture. You can use this page to help you compare and contrast your culture with other cultures in North America. So let's take a look at each of these questions that you will answer. How do you and your family celebrate holidays? What types of holidays do you celebrate? And what do you do when that holiday comes around? Are there any special traditions you have? Or maybe you don't celebrate any holidays with your family. Go ahead and remember to restate the question and write a complete sentence to respond. Number 2, what language or languages do you and your family speak at home? So we have my family and I speak. The next one, what foods do you eat? What are some special foods that your family likes to eat and enjoy? My family and I eat. Try to name at least 2 or 3. The next question, what is your home like? So if you had to describe your home, what are some things that someone would see if they were to enter? What are some of the things they might hear, types of music? What would they smell? And maybe how would they feel being in your home? The next question is, what types of music do you enjoy? I enjoy listening to, and feel free to put down as many types of music as you'd like. And last question, what do you do for fun? What are some things that you enjoy doing alone or even with your family? So we have for fun, I like to, and again, try to list at least 2 to 3 activities that you enjoy. Each of these questions make up the part of your culture. Be sure to write in complete sentences and then upload page 63 to show completion.